You know what? It is late. It's Thursday night. Family's hungry. Been at work all day. Boss has been on your case. Phone's been ringing. All heck is breaking loose, basically, right? What do you got to do? Well, you got to make something real simple and easy for your family. You got to cook, right? So, all I'm going to do for you is do a really simple, nice pork tenderloin for you. But first, I'm going to make my sauce. Right here, a little port. Port is basically a wine with a little kick. Got a nutty flavor. Zest some orange. Another little flavor pop for you. When we're zesting here, you just want the skin on the outer layer. Look at that. That's exactly what we're doing here. Got some time? Just throw it in there. We'll strain that later. Don't worry about it. Got to get the flavors in. Slice up some ginger here for you for a little pop. Throw it in there. Don't have time to mess around. Got some shallots here, kind of like a garlic-onion combination. Throw them all in there. We're going to reduce this down in just a minute's time here. But first, the star of the show, Mr. Pork Tenderloin. Oh, look at that, huh? Does that not look great? Looks beautiful. You know, that's a very lean meat. So what do you have to do with lean meats? Hardly a thing. And it's super fast and simple. So just a little extra virgin olive oil. Oh yeah, a little S&P. We are good to go. Get it nice and covered here. How easy is this? Not a lot of fat on these pieces of meat. Hey, now we gotta have rosemary. How good is that? Simple as that. We're headed over the grill. Take our sauce. Everybody's gonna be happy in no time flat. Gotta get her done there. Gotta oil the grill. Don't want anything sticking right there. Look at this. Beautiful pork berry sauce just simmering, reducing down on the side. Very easy. Get the pork loins. Is that not looking good?
Yeah, looking good.
Hey, look at this, okay? We've got high heat going on over here, low heat there. We need 3 steamboats right here. Y'all count with me, okay? 1 steamboat, 2 steamboats, 3 steamboats. That is exactly what we need right there. Place these pork tenderloins right there. All we're gonna do there is char those up for about a minute, minute and a half maximum, and then we're gonna rotate them around and slide them right over there for 5, 8 minutes, depending on the size of your tenderloins there. Oh yeah, beautiful char. Beautiful char. Look at that. Looking good. Oh. That's what that high heat will do for you right there. That's what that high heat's doing for us. We got our char marks. I'm gonna slide it over to the low side, the low heat over there. Now, I'm gonna close the lid right here. 5 to 8 minutes. We're looking for 350 Fahrenheit, 175 Celsius. Do a little back pedal here. Lift the lid. Voila. Oh. That look good? Fast, simple, delicious. Oh, I'm gonna plate those bad boys right now. Oh, give you a good look at these. Oh, those look delicious. Look at that. We've got our pork berry sauce right there. We've got our tenderloins.